Hello, thank you for allowing us to come in virtually and speak to you about the Sixth Form Academy and Cornwall School of Maths and Science. It's a great privilege to come and speak to you today about your next steps as you make those decisions of where you want to go and do your key Stage 5 studies. In today's presentation, I would like to talk to you about the Sixth Form Academy and what we have to offer you. And then I'll hand over to my colleague, Mr. Chapman, who will talk to you about Cornwall School of Maths and Science, CSMS, and he'll explain what that has to offer to you as well. And hopefully it'll help you have a clear picture of where you want to go next year. So the Sixth Form Academy. The Sixth Form Academy is located on the same site as Camborne Science and International Academy, but we have our dedicated Sixth Form Centre, and within this Sixth Form Centre it has great facilities. So it has 2 study rooms which are equipped with ICT resources and any other resource that you might need to be able to support your studies while you're not in lessons. It also has this common room. We also have access to a coffee shop where you can go and purchase coffees, snacks, lunches at your break times and lunch times. And again, it's another great space where you can go and socialise with the friends that you will make here at the Sixth Form Academy. We have about 240 students across year 12 and 13. And this is a really nice size Sixth Form Centre. There's a lot of people there, so you can meet different people and socialise with different people, but also it's small enough to allow those small class sizes and also offer that great support. One of the reasons you should join us is our fantastic results. Since 2015, we've had 100% A-level pass rate. And last year we achieved 91.4% A star to C grades, and that's really fantastic. So almost 92% of our students came in and left with A star to C grades. This makes us the top state-funded post-16 provider in Cornwall for A-level average grades and BTECs. And that includes all the colleges and all the other post-16 providers. So it's a really, really fantastic achievement. So when you come in, we make really good progress with you and therefore allow you to go on to your next steps, whether that's through university or through a higher level apprenticeship. Our average A-level grade is B+, and our average level 3 applied grade is distinction plus. So we do really, really well with the students when we get them in and where we go into, because it's this journey for 2 years, and we want to make sure that journey is really successful for you. That journey can only be successful, though, if you have the right support around you. And that is something we're really, really, really good at. We're good at making sure we have the support to make sure you succeed. And your great results can only happen through this great support. On the screen now, you can see the Sixth Form team. So you've got myself as Director of Sixth Form, you've got Mr. Ross, who is Head of Sixth Form, and then Miss Chesney, who will be overseeing all your pastoral issues as well. Miss Bush is a really, really important person. She helps you with your progression and careers. So she helps you with your UCAS applications, your apprenticeship applications. And then we have 2 academic progress leaders, Miss Holland Lloyd and Miss Ormerod, who will help you ensure that your studies are on the right paths. So we have this great level of support, and because we're small enough and we have only 240 students, we can give you the support that you need and make sure that you succeed. So that's a really fantastic sort of selling point of our Sixth Form Academy. Something else I'm really proud about is the offer of subjects we offer. We have over 42 different subjects between A-levels and vocational level 3 courses. And unlike other providers, we don't say you have to do just A-levels or just vocational courses. We allow you to mix and match. And this is really beneficial for some students. So you might pick up 2 A-levels and 1 vocational course, or you might pick up 2 vocational courses and 1 A-level. So we've got that flexibility to allow you to mix and match. The A-levels we offer are your traditional A-levels, such as your languages, your sciences, your maths, your English, psychology, sociology, plus sort of art and photography. We also offer the extended project qualification. And then some of our vocational courses are in business, human biology, health and social care, child development, dance, drama, sport. So we have a real range of subjects that hopefully will allow you to make those combinations that you want to do to go on to next year. Now, if you join us at both the Sixth Form Academy and CSMS, then we offer the transport bursary, and the transport bursary will purchase for you, if you live more than 3 miles away, a train ticket or a bus ticket to allow you to get in to our Sixth Form campus without that additional burden of the cost for you. So this is something you can apply for when you come and join us, and we ask for those applications before you come and join us so we can get that set up from day one. This is Parker. They're in year 13 and they've made a real good use of the transport bursary. They take the bus in every day from Hales. So the transport bursary allowed Parker to buy that bus ticket every day to come in and make sure they're here to learn. She said the application process was really easy to fill out. It took about 5 minutes, and then renewing was even easier, and the funding was pretty instantaneous, and they got the funding to come in and allow you to study. Now, this transport bursary can be applied from if you both join us at Sixth Form Academy and CSMS, so it runs across both of our campuses. Something else I want to introduce you to is the scholarship fund. Sorry, this is Harry. Harry is one of our year 13 students, and he is going to go on and be a cyclist. He's currently competing nationally and internationally. But the scholarship fund is a pool of money that's available to students to apply for to help them run enrichment activities, something they can put onto their CV to allow them to run projects or go on different visits which will enrich their studies with us. He used his to go to Clape in Spain for some warm weather training with a professional cyclist. And this helped him in his training for both national and international level racing. And it's enriched his experience at the Sixth Form Academy. So we offer these scholarships. You apply for them, and then you'll either receive all the funding that you've applied for, a percentage of the funding you've applied for, or none of the funding that you've applied for, depending on the quality of your application. But these really help students enrich their time with us, and it's brilliant to put on to UCAS references or CVs. Apart from all the things I've highlighted so far, so the academic side, we also offer these extracurricular activities as well. So we offer the Gold Duke of Edinburgh Award, again, something fantastic to put onto a UCAS application or a CV. We offer 10 tours. We have our Sports Academies program, and this is where you can join to sign up to a sports academy and then train and then compete in different fixtures. We also have our international program. Currently, this is virtually because of the pandemic. We cannot travel, but hopefully by the time you join us, this will open up again, and it offers fantastic opportunities to travel to different parts of the world and compete in different projects. We also offer many student leadership positions, which I hope you apply for. So we've got our head boy and head girl, and then plus all the student leadership positions underneath those higher level positions. So hopefully you will apply for some of them and make a real impact to our Sixth Form Academy. So hopefully that's given you a brief overview of what the Sixth Form Academy is about. We are holding an open evening on the 3rd of November between 6 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. And if you would like to come and explore further, then this will give you an opportunity to hear from the Sixth Form team, go and meet all the subject teachers and find out a little bit further information about the subjects that are on offer. And then if you've got any other questions, there's members of the Sixth Form team to arrive. All you need to do to register to attend is book yourself into one of the welcome addresses, and if you just go to the sixthformacademy.co.uk and then follow the links on there, you'll be able to register to attend to come to that event. It runs from 6 p.m. to 8:30. There's a talk at 6:15 and then another one at 7 on the 3rd of November. And again, just to register, the sixthformacademy.co.uk. I'm now going to hand over to Mr. Chapman, who will talk to you further about the offer at CSMS.
Thank you, Ollie. So as Ollie said, my name is Dan Chapman, and I am the Deputy Head of Cornwall School of Maths and Science. And I'm going to spend a little bit of time now talking to you about CSMS and why we think it's the best place to study STEM A-levels in Cornwall. So we're a specialist provider for post-16 STEM A-levels. We're state funded and part of the Sixth Form Academy, but we do have our own campus, which is right next to the train station in Camborne. On our campus, we offer maths, further maths, biology, chemistry, physics and computer science as A-levels and the extended project. but you can combine any two of those A-levels with one or two subjects at the sixth form academy if you want to. So although we are specialists, you can choose to have quite a broad curriculum thanks to our link with the sixth form. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our program, and I'm going to do that by going through our 6 core values, the values that make us who we are, and I'll explain a little bit about why our program is the way it is. So to start off with, we are an academic program. We have a focus on traditional learning, and our lessons are designed to challenge and excite the most ambitious students. So lessons are targeted at the A and A star standard, and that's to help you gain the skills you need to get the very best grades. If you come to CSMS, you'll be surrounded by other very able, engaged and enthusiastic students who are all striving for those top grades. So as a result, CSMS is a very academic environment. Another one of our core values is determination, and students at CSMS are determined to do their best, and we are determined to help them. So Ollie mentioned the transport bursaries, the scholarships for being able to do something unique. So we're sure that finances won't stand in your way. And as you would expect, similarly to the sixth form academy, we have an amazing pastoral and academic support structure, which is there to help you as an individual reach your potential. We're also inspirational. Our motto actually is inspiring future leaders. So with an outstanding curriculum and the tailored guidance that you get alongside all those amazing academic opportunities, we want you to become the leaders of tomorrow. We offer 3 specialist pathways in addition to the STEM pathway, which is what everybody follows. So the Oxbridge pathway prepares students for an application to Oxford or Cambridge, and you receive a huge package of support which includes entrance exam preparation, interview practice, personal statement writing guidance, and I'm currently in the middle of helping our Year 13s who are literally about to send in their UCAS applications for Oxford as we speak. We've also got the veterinary and the medical pathways, and they are for students that have those specific careers in mind, so doctor, dentist or vet, and those pathways are tailored to those particular courses, which again are highly competitive, and you need to make sure that you're doing the right things at the right times to stand a good chance of success, and the support that you get from those pathways is unrivaled. Okay, so global. STEM is global, and because of that, so are we. And we pride ourselves on thoroughly preparing you and our students for careers in a global field. And we do that mostly through our incredible international program. So you can travel to places such as Singapore, Thailand, America, Russia, China, and loads of others to compete against students from around the world in international science and maths competitions. And if competition isn't your thing, you could join a collaborative research exchange where maybe you spend time working with some Singaporean students, and you see the bottom right there, bottom left there, we've got one of our students working with 2 Singaporean students on a research project themselves. And you get to spend time in Singapore, maybe in a homestay, so you get to really experience the culture. So lots of opportunities for you to travel, and because it's a homestay, it is often a lot cheaper than you would be able to go by yourself. Another one of our core values is that we are trailblazing, and we do this through exposing our students to cutting-edge research. All of our students complete an extended project, so you get to carry out your own research. You carry out a practical project in Year 12, which can be used in those international competitions I was talking about, as well as this extended project that runs throughout Year 12 as well. So in addition to being your own researcher and answering your own questions, you also get to hear from university professors and lecturers, and they come to CSMS to share their work as part of our lecture series. And if you're on the Oxbridge pathway, you can then actually have tutorials with those academics, which helps to prepare you for the admissions interviews. So at CSMS, you are constantly exposed to the cutting edge science that's happening in universities today. And excellence is another one of our core values, and we believe that the results we get are truly exceptional. We are always striving to achieve the very best. We're consistently in the top 10% of all schools and colleges nationally, and we are the top state-funded provider of STEM A levels in Cornwall, and that's across all colleges and sixth forms. And our maths results put us in the top 1% of the country. You can see last year our percentage of A and A star grades was an incredible 86%. 86% of all the grades that students received were A or A star, and 54% of them were A star, and that just smashes the national averages. So you know, if you come to us, you're going to be getting a really good deal. So I hope I've given you a bit of a flavour about what CSMS is. If you're interested in studying maths or science A levels, then I really think you should come along to our open evening. You can book online on our website, csms.co.uk, and you also have the opportunity of coming to the campus for a tour if you want. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting. Whether the sixth form is of interest to you or CSMS, hopefully we've given you something to think about. And if you are interested in coming along to our open evenings, remember please to book online first to guarantee your spot. Thank you very much.